ராமானுஜதயா பாத்திரம் ஞான வைராகியபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத் வெங்கடநாதாரம் வந்தே வேதாந்த தேசிகம். சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஊரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு. We have so far covered up to 31 pasurams of Amrita Ranjani. We are now in the 32nd Pasuram today. This 31 and 32 is from the Trimantradikaram of Ragasyatraya Cholakam. That is one of the Childre Ragasyam, Ragasyatraya Cholakam, wherein Swami beautifully encapsulates the Ashtaksharam, Dvayam, Charma Slokams, the nuances, the esoteric divine meanings and the arthams of these Ragasyatraya mantrams. And Swami gives in that Childre Ragasyam a Prabandha, a Tamil Pasuram for each of these Ragasyatraya mantram, which is like a summary or the essence of the Trimantram or Dvayam or Charma Slokam. So the 31 and 32 are for the Trimantradikaram, and 33, 34, 35 Pasurams are on Dvayadikaram. Subsequently, we have Charma Slokadikaram of Ragasyatraya Cholakam, Childre Ragasyam. This particular Pasuram, number 32, is one of my most favorites. The very fact is, reason being, it is such a simple, very sweet Tamil, and it's so soulful. It stirs your soul. It moves me to tears for the Upakara Parampara of Sriya Sarveshwaran, Sriyapati Sriman Narayana. How much he stoops down and he takes care of us like a endearing, loving father. He himself, of course, is the father for ages, from time immemorial, and he takes care of the Jivan, us, with so many upakarams. Swami enlists them, and when we try to delve into it and have a tinge of what Swami Desikan tries to explain, it is beyond control to resist having a moist eyes. Such a beautiful Pasuram. ஊன் தந்து நிலை நின்ற உயிரும் தந்து ஓர் உயிராகி உள் ஒளியோடு உறைந்த நாதன் தான் தந்த இன்னுயிரை எனது எண்ணாமல் நல் அறிவும் தந்து அகலா நலமும் தந்து தான் தந்த நல் வழியால் தாழ்ந்த என்னை தந்தனக்கே பரமாக தானே எண்ணி வான் தந்து மலர் அடியும் தந்து வானோர் வாழ்ச்சி தர மன்னருளால் வரித்திட்டானே. What a beautiful verse. The Upakaram given by Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan, our Perumal, to us is completely immeasurable. It is unfathomable. It is limitless. It is unbounded. Firstly, Woon Tande, he gives the body. He gives us the body, the Sariram, with all the senses working. And next, he blesses the body with the imperishable Jivatma, and then enters into both the body as well as the Jivan as the Antaryami, along with his Sri Mahalakshmi. ஊன் தந்து நிலை நின்ற உயிரும் தந்து ஓர் உயிராகி உள் ஒளியோடு உறைந்த நாதன் He is our master, and he stoops down so with such a saulabhyam, and he dwells into our jivatma as well as our shariram and takes care of us. Okay, so far so good. Then தான் தந்த இன்னுயிரை தனது எனது எண்ணாமல் நல்ல அறிவும் தந்து அகலா நலமும் தந்து. He blesses us furthermore with the jnanam that Jivan is not independent, is not swatantran, is not taking care of himself, the Jivan, and that the Jivan is a Seshan, servant eternally to Perumal, the Seshi, the master, which makes the Jivan filled with bliss. So, தான் தந்த இன்னுயிரை எனது எண்ணாமல், he is not telling the Jivatma, hey, you are me, okay, you belong to me, you and the Sariram belong to me, I gave you. No such arrogant, no authority. He just gives us the jnanam. He wants to take us in the right mode. He wants us to realize that we belong to him. உன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கிங்கு ஒழிக்க ஒழியாது. He wants us to understand that first. He wants us to enjoy being his eternal servant, being his session. Next, he points out the means of reaching him. தான் தந்த நல்வழியால் தாழ்ந்த என்னை தான் தந்த நல்வழியால், it is he who said aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma sucha, just sharanam vrajaha, fall at my feet, perform prapatti sharanagati, and I accept the responsibility of protecting you. So he தான் தந்த நல்வழியால் தாழ்ந்த என்னை, so we perform sharanagati, we fall at his feet. We say nadharmanishthosmi na chatpavedi na bhaktiman tvacharanaravinde akinchanaha ananyagatihi sharanyat tutpadamoolam sharanam prapadhye. அகலகில்லேன் இறையுமென்று அளமேல் மங்கே உரை மார்பா, நிகரில் புகழாய் உலகம் மூன்றுடையாய் என்னை ஆழ்வானே, நிகரில் அமரர் முனிக்கடங்கள் விரும்பும் திருவேங்கடத்தானே, புகழொன்றில்லாடியேன் உன் அடிக்கீழ் அமர்ந்து புகுந்தேனே. We surrender at his feet. தாழ்ந்த என்னை, hence we fell at his feet. தான் தந்த நல்வழி, it is he who showed us the means, and he points out the means of pravati and makes the jivatma practice that sharanagati and accepts the responsibility, acknowledges the sharanagati. He stands on behalf of the bhakti yogam. He stands that he would absolve all our papams and he would protect us. Don't worry. And our Lord blesses the Jivan to reach Sri Vaikuntham. He says, aham smarami madbhaktam nayami paramam gatim. I will remember you at your final moment and would take you to my abode by myself, says Lord Varaha in Varaha Charma Slokam. So, தான் தந்த நல்வழியால் தாழ்ந்த என்னை தந்தனக்கே பரமாக தானே எண்ணி, he has taken care of protecting us, that it is his duty, responsibility to protect us. Not only protect our life here, forever take care of us, forever and ever, even in Sri Vaikuntham. And then he grants us the moksha anubhavam in Sri Vaikuntham, the Vaikuntha Prapti at the end of this life. Van Tande, Malar Adiyum Tande. He grants us the absolute bliss to reach Sri Vaikuntham at the end of the life on the earth, and to live with the Nitya Suris and Mukta Jivatmas. One among the Muktas we become, there to perform eternal Kainkaryam to him there. ஒழிவில் காலமெல்லாம் உடனாய் மன்னி வழிவிலா அடிமை செய்ய, we will be in Sri Vaikuntham. This is our Lord's Sankalpam. And வான் தந்து மலர் அடியும் தந்து வானோர் வாழ்ச்சிதர மன்னருளால் வரித்திட்டானே. வானோர் வாழ்ச்சிதர, the நித்யசூரி போகம் they தந்து, he grants us to be on par with Nityasuris, on par with himself. Salokyam, Sarupyam, Sayujyam, Samipyam. We will be in the same lokam, Sri Vaikunta lokam, as Nityasuris and Sriyapati Sriman Narayana. We will be having the same form with Shankha Chakram, like Nityasuris and Sriman Narayana. We will be having the same Rupam. We will be in close proximity with all of them, with Nityasuris, Mukta Jivatmas and Sri Vaikunthanathan. And we will be enjoying the same bliss like all of them, and perform with love, with adoration, with reverence, with full of parabhakti, parajnana, paramabhakti, with the jnanam fully manifest, fully in the maximum form. We would be enjoying the bliss of Sri Vaikunthanathan, performing eternal Kainkaryam at his feet. Having given me thus a soul, a body, and entering me into me and my body as Antaryami, he takes abode in me along with Sriyapati, along with Mahalakshmi. He confers on me the right knowledge, the jnanam. So now I realize that I am not independent and I am merely his servant eternally. I am for his service. He has taken my protection as his duty, as his prerogative, as his responsibility. Thus he confers bliss to me. He has taken my protection as his burden. He grants me the next world, the Sri Vaikuntham, and places me at his feet for his eternal Kainkaryam. I secure a great privilege, Paramanandam, Peranandam, the enviable life of Muktas and Nityasuris. What else can I ask for? What an upakaram he has done. Just let's enjoy the Pasuram again and close. ஊன் தந்து நிலை நின்ற உயிரும் தந்து ஓர் உயிராகி உள் ஒளியோடு உறைந்த நாதன் தான் தந்த இன்னுயிரை எனது எண்ணாமல் நல்ல அறிவும் தந்து அகலா நலமும் தந்து தான் தந்த நல்வழியால் தாழ்ந்த என்னை தந்தனக்கே பரமாக தானே எண்ணி வான் தந்து மலரடியும் தந்து வானோர் வாழ்ச்சிதர மன்னருளால் வரித்திட்டானே. சுவாமி தேசிகன் திருவடிகளே சரணம். கவிதார்க்கிக சிம்மாய கல்யாண குணசாலினே ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமः. தன்யோஸ்மி.